Is it better to rent or buy in Virginia Beach right now? The answer depends less on where the market is headed and more on how long you're planning on owning the home. If you plan on staying for just a couple of years, then renting may make more sense. But if you plan to stay longer, then you may come out ahead with buying. There is no magic 5-year rule because each person's break even point is personal. I'm Liz Schuyler with Remax Allegiance, and I've been helping Hampton Roads buyers and sellers since 2001. And this is one of the biggest questions that I help people work through. Let's say that you are renting a 3-bedroom home for $2,400 a month, and you find a similar home that you can purchase where the mortgage is $2,300 a month. 2,300 may look better on paper, but that's not the actual comparison. As a homeowner, you also have other costs like taxes, insurance, maintenance, and the possibility of an HOA. There's also the cost when you buy and eventually the cost when you sell. So the question isn't, is my mortgage lower than my rent? It's, what does this actually cost me to own this home, and how long do I need to own it before buying makes financial sense? This is why your time frame matters so much. If you buy and sell after only a few years, then buying or selling can eat into a lot of the equity that you've built. But the longer you stay in the home, the more potential you have to benefit from mortgage principal reduction and home appreciation. This doesn't mean that buying automatically wins. It means we need to calculate when it wins. When I am helping a buyer walk through whether it's better to buy or sell, I'm looking at a few key things. I'm looking at the expected time frame in the home, what the purchase price is, what the financing is, how much they're paying in rent, the taxes, insurance, maintenance, possible HOA, and also how much cash they're putting into the deal. And what happens if they need to sell sooner than expected? Because life doesn't always happen according to the original plan. Sometimes you have to relocate out of the area, you move out of the area for a job, or you get PCS orders. A good analysis goes through multiple scenarios, not just the best case scenario. So the question is buying this home the better financial decision for me? And the way to answer that is by looking at your specific numbers, not national averages. Now, I've built a Hampton Roads break-even calculator where you can choose where you're buying, what city you want to live in, and also what your specific numbers are. And it generates what your break-even point is. If you want someone to help you walk through your specific scenario, then I'm happy to do that. I'm Liz Schuyler. Thanks for watching.